10 reasons why yams are better than your medicine. Yam health benefits and nutrition. Yams, a versatile and nutrient-dense root vegetable, are a staple food in many cultures around the world. They belong to the Dioscorea genus, and come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, including white, yellow, and purple varieties. Often confused with sweet potatoes, yams are distinct in their botanical characteristics and nutritional profile. Beyond their delicious taste and versatility in cooking, yams offer a range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Anti-cancer characteristics. Malignant growths arise from uncontrolled cell multiplication. Free radicals' oxidative effects also contribute to cancer development. Yams contain various antioxidants, including phenols, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which possess cancer-fighting abilities. These antioxidant vitamins help impede cancer cell proliferation by minimizing free radical damage to organs. Research indicates that antioxidants inhibit the expansion of cancer cells and may potentially eliminate them. Number 2. Enhancing digestive health. Yams are a good source of dietary fiber, which remains undigested in the stomach and moves to the intestines for fermentation. Beneficial gut bacteria facilitate this process, with fiber serving as nourishment for these microorganisms. This promotes their growth and helps combat harmful microbes. Furthermore, studies indicate that yams' phenolic components exhibit antimicrobial properties, contributing to improved gut health. Number 3. Promoting healthier skin. Yams contain high levels of antioxidants that aid in the regeneration of skin cells. These compounds may help reduce the damaging effects of free radicals on the skin. Furthermore, yams are a good source of vitamin C, which stimulates the production of collagen in the body. Collagen is a protein essential for maintaining skin elasticity. As we get older, our bodies produce less collagen naturally. Consuming yams can help maintain collagen levels and contribute to better skin health. Research suggests that vitamin C plays a significant role in improving skin condition, offering protection against sun damage, and potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and signs of aging. Number 4. Enhances digestive health. Yams contain resistant starch, which functions similarly to soluble fiber. This starch passes through the digestive system unprocessed, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Consequently, yams contribute significantly to improved digestive health. Number 5. Regulates blood glucose. Research indicates that yams play a role in managing blood glucose levels. Their resistant starch content helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, particularly after eating. This is due to the slow digestion process, which gradually releases glucose from food. Purple yams, in particular, are effective in blood sugar regulation, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Number 6. Enhancing hormonal equilibrium. Menopause causes a decrease in estrogen levels, which disrupts hormonal balance. This imbalance can result in various health issues, including osteoporosis. Research indicates that yams play a role in regulating estrogen production. Consequently, they may help prevent certain conditions in women after menopause. Additionally, by balancing hormones, yams can contribute to improved fertility. Number 7. Alleviating inflammation. Yams contain antioxidants that can help reduce long-term inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health problems, such as diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. However, yams are considered effective anti-inflammatory foods and may help prevent these conditions. Multiple studies have demonstrated the anti-inflammatory properties of yams. As a result, they can improve symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Furthermore, yams decrease the production of inflammatory components in the immune system, making them beneficial for managing conditions such as ulcers and arthritis. Number 8. Enhancing cognitive function. Reduced mental capabilities can result in various health issues, including memory impairment and disorientation. These problems can negatively impact overall mental well-being and potentially lead to conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Research from a controlled study indicates that extracts from yams may improve cognitive performance. Yams are highly nutritious, containing numerous vitamins and minerals. They also include a substance called digestion, which has been shown to boost brain function, enhancing memory and learning abilities. Number 9. Aiding in weight management. Yams offer a high calorie content and are abundant in dietary fiber. Research indicates that fiber consumption supports weight reduction. The consumable roots of yams contribute to weight control. Fiber moves slowly through the digestive system, creating a prolonged sense of fullness. This helps curb appetite and excessive eating, thus preventing unwanted weight increases. Moreover, fiber enhances digestive health. Yams serve as nourishment for beneficial bacteria, while inhibiting the proliferation of harmful microorganisms. Consequently, they contribute to strengthening the body's immune defenses. Number 10. Yam nutrition facts. A yam measuring 5 inches provides 112 calories, with no fat or cholesterol. It contains 4 grams of sodium, 26 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of protein. This serving offers an impressive 369% of the daily recommended vitamin A intake. Yams are also rich in other vital nutrients, including vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Well, that is all about the health benefits of yam. However, here are some frequently asked questions about yams. Let's check it out. Question 1. Are yams and sweet potatoes the same thing? No, yams and sweet potatoes are different. Yams are part of the Dioscorea genus, while sweet potatoes belong to the Convolvulaceae family. Yams have a drier, starchier texture and rough skin, whereas sweet potatoes are generally sweeter and have smoother skin. Confusion often arises in the United States, where some sweet potato varieties are labeled yams. Question 2. What are some common ways to prepare yams? Yams can be prepared in a variety of ways, including boiling, baking, frying, or roasting. They can be mashed, made into fries or chips, added to soups and stews, or used in desserts. The cooking method depends on the type of dish you want to make and the specific variety of yam you're using. Question 3. Are yams safe for everyone to eat? Yams are generally safe for most people to eat. However, individuals with allergies to certain root vegetables, or who have specific dietary restrictions, should consult with a healthcare provider before consuming yams. Additionally, some wild yams can contain natural toxins that are neutralized through proper cooking. Question 4. Is it safe to eat yams raw? It is not recommended to eat yams raw, as they can contain naturally occurring compounds that are toxic when uncooked. Cooking yams thoroughly removes these toxins and makes them safe to eat. Question 5. What are some traditional dishes made with yams? Yams are used in a variety of traditional dishes around the world. In West Africa, they are often boiled and pounded into a starchy paste called fufu. In the Caribbean, they might be included in soups or served with salt fish. In some Asian cuisines, yams are used in desserts or savory dishes like curries. The versatility of yams makes them a key ingredient in many cultural cuisines. Question 6. Is it safe to consume yams on a daily basis? Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, sweet potatoes offer benefits for your eyes, digestion, and cardiovascular system. Generally, eating them every day is considered safe. However, it's advisable to pair them with calcium-rich foods to reduce the risk of developing calcium oxalate kidney stones. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.